Hey there, creative gift-giving wizards. Are you ready to dive into some playful and pocket-friendly handmade Christmas gift ideas for your partner? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be sharing some fantastic ideas that won't break the bank. First up, we have the 52 Reasons I Love You deck of cards. Transform an ordinary deck by writing down 52 reasons why you adore your partner. Get crafty with colorful paper and vibrant markers, making each card unique. It's a heartfelt and personal gift that's sure to earn you some major brownie points. Next on our merry list is the personalized coupon book. Surprise your partner with a booklet of romantic gestures and fun activities. Breakfast in bed, a movie night of their choice, or a heartfelt massage. The choice is yours. Get playful and add some cheeky coupons for a themed date night or a wild adventure. It's a fabulous way to invite some fun-filled moments together. Time to add some color to their mornings with our third idea, a customized coffee mug. Grab a plain white mug and let your creative juices flow. Use ceramic markers or paints to craft a personalized masterpiece. Write a meaningful quote, a cheesy inside joke, or even a cute caricature of the two of you. Every sip they take will remind them of your love. Now let's talk about a gift that keeps on giving, the memory jar. Find a mason jar and fill it with handwritten notes of your favorite moments together. Road trips, date nights, or magical moments, jot them all down. It's a delightful treasure trove of memories, and it's even more special when they can add their own notes too. Get ready for some spontaneous joy with our fifth idea, DIY love coupons. Create a set of fun and creative coupons your partner can redeem throughout the year. From a day of pampering to a favorite home-cooked meal, these little coupons will bring a smile to their face and keep the romance alive. You can even throw in some extra surprises like a themed date night or a surprise adventure. It's the gift that keeps the excitement going long after the holiday season is over. Let's move on to our sixth idea, photo collage wall art. Gather your cherished photographs of the two of you and create a stunning DIY collage. Arrange them in the shape of a heart. Spell out your initials or create a beautiful mosaic of memories. Frame it up and you've got a heartfelt piece of wall art that will fill your partner with warm fuzzies every time they see it. If you're feeling extra crafty, our seventh idea is perfect for you. Handmade jewelry. Explore your creative side and make a personalized piece for your partner. Whether it's a bracelet, necklace, or even a keychain, use beads, charms, or repurpose old trinkets to add sentimental value. They'll proudly wear it as a unique and meaningful accessory. Let's make planning date nights a breeze with our eighth idea, the customized date jar. Write down different date ideas on colorful popsicle sticks and fill the jar with them. From romantic candlelit dinners to adventurous hikes, simply pull out a stick whenever you're in the mood for some excitement. It's all about keeping the spark alive and embracing spontaneity. For our ninth idea, we're bringing back the power of words, a personalized love letter or poem. Grab a pen and paper or open up that word processor and let your heart do the talking. Share your innermost thoughts, reminisce about special moments, and let them know just how much they mean to you. It may not cost a dime, but it will be worth more than any store-bought gift. Last but not least, let's indulge in some relaxation with our final idea, the homemade spa set. Create a rejuvenating spa experience at home by assembling a basket filled with homemade bath bombs, scented candles, cozy slippers, and a soft bathrobe. Add a playlist of soothing tunes, and they'll have everything they need for a blissful pampering session. So there you have it, my crafty gift givers. With these playful and pocket-friendly handmade Christmas gift ideas, you can shower your partner with love and thoughtfulness without breaking the bank. Remember, it's the effort and sentiment behind the gift that truly matters. So get your creative juices flowing, gather your supplies, and have a jolly good time creating these heartfelt gifts that your partner will cherish. Remember, it's not about the price tag, but the love and effort you put into making them feel special. Whether it's a deck of cards filled with reasons why you love them, a personalized coupon book, or a customized coffee mug, these handmade gifts are sure to bring a smile to your partner's face. And let's not forget the memory jar, love coupons, and photo collage wall art. Each one is a unique expression of your love. And if you're feeling especially adventurous, why not try your hand at making jewelry, a customized date jar, or even penning a heartfelt love letter or poem? The possibilities are endless. And don't forget the homemade spa set for some well-deserved relaxation. So my fellow gift-giving wizards, let your creativity shine this holiday season. Show your love and appreciation through these budget-friendly handmade gifts. Remember, it's the thought and effort that counts the most. Happy crafting and Merry Christmas!